Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Shaleen. The Goa Next 2024 Atmanirbhar Bharat Summit commenced with great enthusiasm and optimism at Fatorda on Saturday, March 2nd, bringing together leaders, visionaries and stakeholders from diverse sectors. The summit aimed to explore avenues for bolstering Goa's economic landscape, promoting self-reliance and positioning the state as a hub for innovation and enterprise. Sujay Gupta, Group Editor of Herald Group, said that White Paper Committee will present a proper action plan and a white paper to the Government of Goa to take Goa forward in all these areas. Watch.
The Goa Next 2024 Summit aimed to explore avenues for bolstering Goa's economic landscape, promoting self-reliance, and positioning the state as a hub for innovation and enterprise. Commenced with great enthusiasm and optimism at Fatorda on Saturday, 2nd March, bringing together leaders, visionaries, and stakeholders from diverse sectors. Sujay Gupta, Group Editor of Herald Group, expressed the commitment to harness the learnings from the summit and underscored the importance of translating discussions into tangible action.
But let's have a great session and let's take away something from this. Just before I end, just one little input. All the deliberations here, anyway, they're being obviously telecast live and they're being live streamed on all our channels, and of course there'll be a lot of stuff in the media. But in addition to that, our rapporteurs are taking down extensive notes and videographing everything so that we ensure that the learnings from today are properly, duly recorded and deliberated, and we have a white paper committee which is going to deliberate on all this and present a proper action plan and a white paper to the Government of Goa to take Goa forward in all these areas. And we will be consistently there as a friend and a watchdog to see that this takes place in the course of time.
Joy Chaudhary, Vice President of Herald Group, highlighted Goa's unique position beyond being a leisure and tourism destination and advocated for Goa's potential for investment and expansion.
As we delve into this discourse surrounding the disruption of industries, which is our first panel discussion, and the future of business, it's imperative to recognize that at the heart of this transformation lies the critical element of skilling. In the face of automation, artificial intelligence, and other disruptive technologies, traditional job roles are being redefined and new skill sets are emerging as essential prerequisites. This requires a fundamental shift in our approach to education and skilling. I think we need to discuss a lot more on the skilling piece. Throughout the course of this summit, I urge you to engage actively, exchange ideas freely, and forge meaningful partnerships that will drive our collective vision forward. Here, I would like to talk to one thing to all of you. A lot of people tell me that knowledge is power. How many of you all believe that knowledge is power? Yes, no, maybe? Yes? I don't think so. You know what? Knowledge is potential power. Application of that knowledge is power. Now today here we would gather knowledge across the summit. But it's up to you and us to apply it in our day-to-day life, in the industries we are talking about, so that we become more powerful.
Discussing the pivotal role of collaboration, D.S. Prashant, CEO of the Startup and IT Promotion Cell, Government of Goa, emphasized the need for industry, academia, government, and media to work together to foster new-age industries, startups, and technologies.
Now, in any given society, one of the most focus areas which can make the country rich and we can make the country productive is through generation of economic wealth, and industrialization is one of the ways through it. But if we are looking at a very linear vertical growth of industrialization, will not be able to become rich in quick time. So this growth has to be exponential. And one of the solutions for this exponential growth could be innovation and enterprise, and startups could be a solution to this. And startups generally is not an easy journey and it's not a short journey. If you look at any of the success stories of any of the startups in this world, they have become successful only after multiple failures. So are we adept to support these failures? Are we ready to be patient to let these startups go through the failures multiple times and become successful? I think it's a collective effort we all should have. The industry, the academia, the government, as well as the most important pillar, that's the media. If the media doesn't talk about the successes, and if the media doesn't support the failures, then we are losing a very important component. And I'm so glad that Herald has taken the initiative and the lead today.
Vijay Sardesai, Fatorda MLA, connected the spirit of Herald with the initiative of Goa Next and expressed the alignment of values between the media outlet and the summit.
Konkani being the official language, gaining statehood. So basically, Herald is by and large about Goinkarpon. And therefore, when Herald does it, I think it's right and proper that we should associate with such type of a activity. I read Sujay's article today. He talks about gross domestic happiness. And as a Goan, if we see what is the situation in Goa, although the government may try to package it in whatever different ways, I feel there is apprehension all around as to whether we will see Goans in Goa. A Goa that is developed, Vikasit Goa, an Atmanirbhar Goa, but without Goans in it. Goans not being the center of development. So this is a strange situation which we have in the state, wherein government is into lots of events.
Satyam Roy Chaudhary, chairman of the Higher Education Committee of the Indian Chamber of Commerce, envisioned a future-ready Goa, shedding light on the potential of Goa in pioneering sustainable and innovative practices.
The summit is a platform that epitomizes innovation, progress, and the relentless pursuit of a better future. As entrepreneurs, visionaries, and change makers, we are all here. And we must utilize the common purpose. What is the common purpose? It is to innovate more avenues utilizing technology, startups, tourism and skilling to collaborate and co-create the path to a future-ready Goa. Just Sardesai told before me the same thing. This is not only what we are talking and what we like to create exactly for Goa.
The Goa Next 2024 Atmanirbhar Bharat Summit has set the stage for dynamic discussions, collaboration, and actionable plans, marking a significant step towards Goa's progressive and self-reliant future. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Binauli taxi operators voiced their concerns and opposition to the installation of the speed governor. The taxi operators have alleged it as harassment by the Transport Department. The Transport Department has made a compulsion to install a speed governor in every taxi, which makes the taxi run at a restricted speed. Responding to this, the taxi drivers expressed their dissatisfaction as not all taxis can install a speed governor. They demanded an immediate action to be taken on this matter.
On Friday, Binolim taxi operators spoke about their issues regarding the harassment faced by the Transport Department. The taxi drivers expressed their dissatisfaction as not all taxi can install the speed governor. They also pointed out that due to lack of traffic signals from Mopa to Binolim, the taxi drivers are fined unnecessarily.
Speed governor harassment जो traffic department ज़्यादा तक लावेल तो speed governor घालना है चाहे गाड़ी fitness में ना आणि थोडी गाड्या speed governor आहे पण ते आमका आणि न्यू बसवपाक जाय आणि थोडे सेगमेंट आहेत गाड्यांचे तांकां स्पीड गव्हर्नर बसोवंक मेळना तर आमी आज एक तेका सर्टिफिकेट दिले एक थोडी गाडी तितून स्पीड गव्हर्नर बसोवपाक प्रोविजन ना सो तेका लागून आमचे बरें आहे आणि सेकंड इश्यू आला तो north to south from Mopa to Kanpur there's not a single toilet on the highway आनी वाटेक मू तुमी थांबल जाल्यार तें तालाम पडटलें. सो हांव मागोता गव्हर्मेंटाक पयलीं तुमी फॅसिलिटी रेडी करूया आनी मागीर तालाम दिया.
एक गोंयच्या टुरिजमाचो एक व्हडलो सेक्टर आनी सगळे स्थानीक गोंयकार ते. आतां गोंयकारांक हॅरेसमेंट जाता बिकॉज ऑफ स्पीड गव्हर्नर. स्पीड गव्हर्नर म्हणजे कितें? सरकाराचो कन्सर्न आसपाक जाय सेफ्टी ऑन रोड्स. की टॅक्सीवालो एक्सिडेंट करता काय प्रायव्हेट व्हेकल एक्सिडेंट करता, कायदो सेम आसपाक जाय. हो कायदो सेम केन्ना जावंक शकता? वेन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स इंड्युस्ड कॅमेराज आर पुट ऑन द रोड्स. आज पणजे भितर जेन्ना तूं सरता मिर्शे जंक्शनाचेर थंय आर्टिफिशियल कॅमेरा इंटेलिजन्स इंड्युस्ड सिग्नल आहा. थंय जर तूं फास्ट केलो तुका ताळो पडटा. थंय बशिलो काय ना ब्रायब दिवपाक मेळना पुलिसेक. फोटो येता तुका ताळो लागता. तो टॅक्सीवाल्याकूय लागू जाता, तो प्रायव्हेट इंडिव्हिज्युअल म्हाकाय लागू जाता. सो सरकाराक हांवें मुखेलमंत्र्या कडेन आतां फोन करून उलयलो. ताका हांवें म्हणलें की तुजो जर कन्सर्न सेफ्टी आहा, पयर आतां एक रेंट कॅबान मारले आनी मनीस वयल्यान सकयल पडून मेलो, गोंयकार एक इनोसेंट गोंयकार मेलो. सो तुजो जर कन्सर्न सेफ्टी आसा जाल्यार सगळ्या कडेन तूं हें घाल. आनी ते पसून पीपीपीचेर केल्ले आहा ते सरकाराचे पयशे वचना हातून. हांगा तुमी गोंयकाराचे पयशे बोल्सांतल्यान काडटात. एक मशीन घेवपाक लायता जे मशीन एप्लिकेबलच जायना.
Mohit Kharangte for Herald TV.
Depositors of Visionary Credit Society expressed disappointment during the Panchayat Chalo program at Binauli. The depositors on Friday went to meet Environment Minister Alexia Sequeira with the intention to voice out their grievances, but the depositors faced the harsh behavior from the minister. The depositors accused that the minister spoke with foul and rude language.
मीटिंग दवरली आसली बेनावले मारिया हॉलान, ज्या जाग्यार तो लोकांचे ग्रिव्हन्सीस आयकपाक थंय बसलोलो. आनी आमी आमचे विजनरी सोसायटीचे 4 ब्रांच, सो 4 ब्रांचाचे आमी लोक थंयसर एकठांय जाले. ताचे फुड्यान आमी प्रश्न मांडलो की जे इलेक्शना असेंब्ली इलेक्शना पयले आमकां तेणी एश्युरन्स दिल्ले. तो काँग्रेस टिकेटीचेर तो बसलो नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आनी आपूण निवडून येयली जाल्यार 5 लाख तेणी दितले म्हण काँग्रेस सरकार जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट घडटाले तेन्ना. पूण तो ताका प्रश्न केलो तेन्ना तेणें म्हणलें काँग्रेस सरकार ना न्ही आनी आपूण आतां म्हणपाक लागलो बीजेपी जॉयन जाला. पूण बीजेपी सरकारान म्हणटा तो हें मान्य ना. तो हें आयकतूच आमकां आमच्या मनाक एक विचार पडलो, बाबा काँग्रेस म्हणून ताका लोकांनी वोट मारलो आनी ताका निवडून दिलो आनी आयज तो म्हणटा ना ते दिवपाक शकना 5 लाख लोकांक आनी बीजेपी सरकाराक म्हणटा तो मान्य ना. सो हाचेर आमच्या गोंयचे सरकार, आमचे बीजेपीचे सरकार आसा, सीएमान हेजे मातशे लोक घालचे. तुमचेच ग्रुपाचो तो एकलो एमएलए बीजेपीचो आनी तो लोकांक हे भाशेन सांगता, तो लोकांक विचार पडला बाबा येता ते लोकसभेचे इलेक्शनाक कितें करपाचें, वोट दिवपाचो की ना दिवपाचो. सो सरकारा लागीं मागणी की आमचे जे आमी हे सगळे विजनरीचे डेपॉझिटर आसा पयशा लागून आमकां दीस रात खूब त्रास जाता. तो लोकसभाचे इलेक्शना पयलीं जाता जाल्यार आमकां कितें तरी हे आमचे पयशे सुटावे करून आमचे काम आमचे पयशे आमकां पावोवपाचे करपाचे म्हूण मागणी आमची.
हांव हे मिटींग दवरलो मारिया हॉला कडेन. आमी थिंगा सगळीं हाजीर जाल्लीं. मिटींग आसतना हांवें ताका एक रिमांड केलो, बाबा तुवें सर तुवें आमकां सांगलोलें आशिश्वान दिलोलें तुगे थिंगा येयले तेन्ना की तूं आमगे प्रिन्सिपल अमाउंट पूण तूं आमकां दितलो. ते वखदां तो म्हणूंक लागलो यू शट अप, यू डोंट नो हाऊ टू टॉक. तुका आमी सांगलोलें हांव काँग्रेसा आसतना हांव तुका दितलो, यू कीप क्वायट म्हणूंक लागलो, गेट आउट म्हणूंक लागलो. अरे सर हे म्हणलें तुगे उलोवप कितें, तूं म्हणलोलें तुवें म्हाका आमकां प्रॉमीस केलोलें आपूण पावरां येतली, तूं तो म्हणटा ना पावरां न्हू काँग्रेसा येतली. हांवें म्हणलें तूं हे अम्ब्रेला सोन ते अम्ब्रेला गेलो आनी तूं आतां मिनिस्टर आहा, तुवें सुटोवा करपाचें. तुका सांगलो काय म्हणूंक लागलो हांवें पयशे घाल तितून. हांवें म्हणलें तांकां लायसन्स कोण दिल्लें, ती कॉपरेटीव सोसायटी आज कितले हांवें पयशे घायले तें सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन. हांवें म्हणलें व्हड कांय ना तितू हांवें मुगे मेडिकल डिस्पेन्सा कितें मेळटा काय म्हणलें यू शटअप म्हणूंक लागलो, कीप क्वायट, गेट आउट फ्रॉम हियर म्हणूंक लागलो, तुका कांय खबर ना म्हणूंक लागलो हेची. हांवें म्हणलें सॉरी हे भाशेन उलोवप न्हू म्हणलें पब्लीक फोरमाक. आनी इतल्यानूय हांव मागीर आमी सगळे भायर सोले. म्हाका शटअप म्हणलो सगळे विजनरी इतले आहलोले ते आमी भायर सोले. पब्लीक फोरमाक हांव तेगे घराको गेलो ना, हांव एक मिटींगे गेल्लो. ते मिटींग दवरलो मुगे प्रश्न मांडूंक गेलोलो, पूण हे गेट आउट आनी शटअप आनी म्हणलो हे उतरां तेका सोपनाय.
Margao police has arrested 40-year-old Mandre resident Anand Salgaonkar for being in illegal possession of suspected narcotics, drugs and psychotropic substances. Police Inspector Theron DeCosta said the accused was caught red-handed in possession of different drugs. Police has seized various narcotic substances amounting to Rs 2,71,000.
आम्ही एक narcotic raid मानली. We conducted a narcotic raid wherein we apprehended one person by name Anand Harishchandra Salgaonkar, age 40 years, resident of Mandre, and he was caught red-handed for being in illegal possession of 3.80 grams of MDMA, 80 pills of tablets of ecstasy, weighing around 7.93 grams, then around 14 grams of charas and some LSD papers. So we conducted a narcotic raid yesterday between 12 o'clock to morning 6 o'clock, and we have registered an offence under the provisions of NDPS Act, that is under section 20B2A and 20B of NDPS Act 1985. We will be producing him before the magistrate and we will be obtaining remand, police custody remand. Now AZO cost around 2,70,000 in international market. Okay, and this is psychotropic substance. Into narcotic drugs we asa psychotropic substance. For example, charas bhi asta poi to ek narcotic drugs an eta classification, and LSD, MDMA will come in psychotropic substances. Te ami ata ejer investigate karto. We will find out from all the police stations in Goa as well as overall in India. Teja poli case base bhi kide book kela hoga, record check karun, we will investigate it.
Kolwa police arrested 26-year-old Muhammad Mustafa Halagiri, native of Haveri, Karnataka, for being in illegal possession of suspected narcotics, drugs, substances like ganja. Police Inspector Theron DeCosta informed the accused was caught red-handed in possession of ganja. Police has seized narcotic substance weighing approximately 1.80 kg, worth 1,08,000.
Today in the morning hours, the staff of Kolwa police station, consisting of LPSA Deepa Dekar and other staff, conducted a narcotic raid at Thodebaun, Banolim, and one person by name Muhammad Mustafa Halagiri, age 26 years, native of Haveri, Karnataka, presently residing at Powerhouse, Margao. He was caught red-handed with narcotic substance, that is ganja, weighing around 1.080 kgs. The seized contraband has been attached under the Panchanama, and आम्ही तेका आता कस्टडीन घेतला accused along with the seized contraband. We have booked an FIR against him under the NDPS Act, under section 20B2B of NDPS Act. आणि आता आम्ही तेका आता फुडें आम्ही तेका कोर्टान व्हरतले आनी तेका रिमांडाक प्रोड्यूस करतले. थंयसान आम्ही तेका पुलीस कस्टडी रिमांड मागतले.
Anjuna police on Friday arrested one person, Mainul Hassan Chaudhry, native of West Bengal, for committing rape. The accused forcefully had sexual intercourse with the victim on several occasions on 5th December 2023 and 28th December 2023. The accused is presently remanded for 3 days of police custody. Here's more.
Mainul Hassan Chaudhry, native of West Bengal, who was the manager of the complainant, on the pretext of marriage had forceful sexual intercourse with the complainant on several occasions and thus committed rape of the complainant. After the commission of the crime, accused person was found absconding in order to avoid his arrest. Further, upon obtaining technical details and after all hard efforts, the accused person was traced in Nagpur, Maharashtra by the Anjuna police team. Subsequently, he was brought at Anjuna police station and placed under arrest on Friday and presently remanded for 3 days of police custody.
An ordinary Margao Municipal Council meeting escalated into a fiery exchange as councillors questioned decisions made in previous sessions. On Friday, tensions flared as concerns were raised regarding the Sonsra waste management plant. Councillors pointed out that the waste management plant is said to be approved in the previous meeting, while the council is stating it to be a proposal.
वयर आमी स्टँडींग कमिटी जेन्ना हे टॉपीक आयले न्ही उलोवप नेक्स्ट डे पेपराचेर येतालें रिगार्डींग 15 TPD बायोमिथिनेशन प्लांट आमी उलयता हांगा रिगार्डींग द गॅसिफायर फॉर द म्युनिसिपल सॉल्यूट विच इज द 10 TPD and in this there is a confusion to my knowledge that GEDA has already put it. Now what is it that is being proposed that council? Is it a 10 TPD gasifier plant or is it a 15 TPD biomethanation plant? हेजे मातशी clarification councilor दिवची.
10 TPD gasifier plant आसा पळय, it is for dry waste. हांगासर 35 टन आमकां wet waste येता आणि 15 टन dry waste येता. 10 TPD जो गॅसिफायर आसा is for dry waste आणि 15 TPD जो बायोमिथिनेशन प्लांट म्हणून आसा. काल जेन्ना हांगासर मिटींग जाली तेन्ना आमचे ऑनरेबल रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर आयिल्ले हांगासर, तेन्ना तांच्यांनी प्रपोज केला की ती 15 TPD करू नाका, तुम्ही 20 TPD करा म्हणून. 20 TPD करा म्हणून तांच्यांनी काल हे दिला. That 15 TPD जो बायोमिथिनेशन प्लांट आसा has been proposed by Goa Waste Management Corporation आणि हो जो 10 TPD गॅसिफायर आसा पळय has been proposed by Goa Energy Development Agency GEDA. तांच्यांनी GEDA ऑलरेडी that 10 TPD is for dry waste. आणि जो 20 TPD का 15 TPD का 20 TPD जो मागीर येतलो जो प्रपोज करतले GWMC will be for wet waste.
To decide on setting up of 10 TPD gasification technology based waste disposal system for treatment of municipal solid waste at Sonchod of Marga, Goa. Resolution number 3645. The committee unanimously approved setting up of 10 TPD gasification technology. Approved. म्हणजे तुम्ही अप्रूव्ह केला इन स्टँडिंग कमिटी, म्हणजे हाजेर डिसिजन ऑलरेडी तुम्ही घेतला की हे घालचे म्हणून. सो तेन्ना जेन्ना आणि आता आम्ही आताच म्हणटाले की बाबा काल मिनिस्टरांनी प्रपोज केला 15 हे घालचे म्हणून TPD आणि हाजेर 10 TPD अप्रूव्ड म्हणून घाला. नाही हांव ताजे फुडले सांगता,
दोन सेपरेट ते.
मग ताजे कांयच क्लॅरिफिकेशन ना हातून. ही पहिली गजाल. दुसरी गजाल सांगता, आमचे जेन्ना पळय नवे कावन्सील जाल्ले, वी आर नॉट टेक्निकल पीपल. आमकां थोड्यो गोष्टी हातूंतल्यो जे टेक्निकलिटी आसा त्यो समजनात. पूण ते समजावपा खातीर कशी बाबा आमचे मडगांवची वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट चलता, कितली गरज आसा, कोण चलयता आणि कशे पर्यंत ती फुडें चलपा जाय आनी ताका फुडें आमकां कसली गरज आसा हे कळपा खातीर आमकां एक सेमिनार ऑर्गनायज केल्ले. तातूंत पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाचे बाब जोगळेकर आशिल्ले. तांणी एक एक्सप्लेनेशन दिल्लें आणि त्या एक्सप्लेनेशना प्रमाणे तांणी परफेक्ट सांगिल्लें की बाबा कशे प्रकारची सद्याचो जो पळय आमकां कितली गार्बेज चालू आसा ती डे टू डे बेसिसाचेर सुद्दां आमची जरी टेक्नॉलॉजी थंय फेल जाल्ली आसा तरी आसतना आमी ती कशे प्रकारे चालू दवरपा जाय, नाजाल्यार ते मॅस जातले म्हणून. आणि फुडें आमकां कसली टेक्नॉलॉजी जाय हेंय ताणें तेन्ना सांगिल्लें कितले प्रकार. सो तातूंत ताणें मेन्शन केल्लें मिनिमम इफ आय रिमेंबर 25 TPD, नॉट 15 आनी 20, मिनिमम 25. ताणें तेंय सांगिल्लें 25चे 2 घाल्यार सुद्दां जाता. आणि ती शेड जी आसा ती खाली करून आमी पयलीं आमचें रेजोल्युशन घेतिल्लें आसा की नवी शेड थंय बांदची खाली करून, जाचे खातीर जागो हें केल्लो क्लीन केल्लो आणि सायमल्टेनियसली थंय चालू दवरून हांगा जातकीर हांगा परते सेटअप करया म्हणून. सो हे 5, 10, 15 घनश्याम मामान घालता तशें हाका एक परमनंट सोल्युशन जाय, कित्याक हे लॉंग टर्म चलतलें. हे आयचे फाल्यांचे आनी नेक्स्ट 10 वर्सांची गजाल न्ही. दिस विल रन फॉर एटलीस्ट नेक्स्ट 40 to 50 years. आमी फुडले जनरेशनाचो विचार करपा जाय.
Goa against EVM, a civil society has appealed Goans to join the fight against the EVM in large number, which will be held on March 4th at Azad Maidan, Panjim. The activists will take out rally to demand scrapping of the EVM and bring back ballot paper for the upcoming elections.
आमचो मेन एम सांगला त्या प्रमाणे बॅलट पेपरांचेर आमचें इलेक्शन जावपाक, कारण वी वॉन्ट फ्री, फेर एंड ट्रान्सपरंट इलेक्शन टू सेव द डेमोक्रेसी. हाका लागून आमी गोंयकारां लागीं मागता. जायत्या जाणांनी पयलो आसतलें दिल्ली हजारांनी लोक एकठांय जालो जंतर मंतर. आतां 4 तारखेर आमी हांगा एकठांय जावपाचे आसात गोंयांत. आनी बाब मनसुरान सांगलां ते भाशेन आमची दिल्लीची एक्सपर्ट टीम, सिनियर लॉयर्स ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट, ते येवन आमकां आनीक जाणवाय दिवपाचे आसात. हाचे वयल्यान आमी सगळ्या गोंयकारांक मागता अनेक फावट डेमोक्रेसी सांबाळचे खातीर आमी एकठांय जावपाची गरज आसा.
पण साधारण जनतेची आज जी समस्या आसा तांकां दिसता की हांवें जो वोट मारिल्लो आसा तो जेका जाय ताका वतना आनी वोटींग जे बटन दामता ते खंयच्या खंय कोणाक वता अशें आज संपूर्ण देशभर आनी गोंयभरूय लोकांक आज अशें एक पर्प्लेक्शन निर्माण जाल्लें आसा. ताज्या खातीर काही राजकारणी आपल्या परीन प्रयत्न करतात की EVM कशा पद्दतीन आसूं म्हणून, पण जनसामान्यान कितें आसा, जनसामान्यांचें मत अशें आसा की बॅलेट पेपर परत घेवन येया, जेणे करून जो वोट आमी मारला कोणाक तो ताकाच वचचो आनी ताज्या भितर खंयसरूच गैरसमज जावचो न्ही.
Gomantak Bandari Samaj have demanded 20% reservation exclusively for Bandari community in all spheres, be it in education or in legislative assembly. Addressing a press conference on Friday, they stated that the community is in need of a reservation as the Bandari community make up the majority of the OBC population. They also announced a mass awareness campaign to be held from tomorrow onwards at every taluka by them to advocate about their community.
अख्ख्या गोंयांत भंडारी समाज हो चड आसा. 5.5 ते 6 लाख पर्यंत आमचो समाज आसा आनी आमकां 27% रिजर्वेशन आहा. OBCचे जे रिजर्वेशन आहा ते 27% आहा आनी ह्या 27%आन एकुणीस जाती आहा. भंडारी, खारवी, मागीर मेस, टक्कर, सतरकार अश्यो 16 जाती हिंदूच्यो आसा आनी 3 क्रिश्चनाच्यो. पूण चड जी लोकसंख्या आसा ती भंडारी समाजाची आनी ह्या 27%आन आतां ज्यो 19 जाती आहा आनी म्हाज्या माहिती प्रमाणे आनी 2 जाती एड जावपाच्यो म्हणजे 21 जाती जाता. तितून जी पर्संटेज आमकां मेळटा ती कमी आहा भंडारी समाजाक. पूण आमी गोमंतक भंडारी समाजा तर्फे सरकारा कडेन मागणी करता की 20% जे आरक्षण आहा ते भंडारी समाजाक मेळचें. भंडारी समाज जो आसा तो चड आसल्या कारणान 20% आरक्षण मेळचें आमकां. म्हणजे सगळ्या बाबतींत एड्युकेशन म्हण किंवा पॉलिटिकल. फाल्यां जर इलेक्शन आतां एसटी कशें ते मागतात 12% तेंच्यांनी मागले ते 4 किंवा 5 मागतात, तशें आमी 20% रिजर्वेशन विधानसभेनूय मागता अशी आमची मागणी आहे. आणि ह्या बाबतींत आयज पासून आमी आमची जनजागृती चालू दवरतले की 20% आमकां मेळपाक जाय म्हणून. आनी 12 तालुक्यांनी आमी 12 आमच्यो टीम तयार केल्या आनी त्यो आमच्यो फाल्यांच्यान आमी प्रत्येक गांवांत तालुक्यांनी वचून आमी जनजागृती करता.
Goa Police defeated Mandopa Sporting Club by 2-0 in the GFA First Division League match. The thrilling match was held at Rosary Ground, Navalim on Friday.
The match saw Mayuresh Mahableshar Naik of Goa Police attempting a shot in the 4th minute, saved by Royal Schubert Moniz of Mandopa SC, followed by a missed opportunity from Rova Pereira of Mandopa SC in the 6th minute. Abdul Khan, the midfielder of Goa Police, broke the deadlock with a goal in the 17th minute. In the second half, Goa Police extended their lead through Sunny Fernandez in 78th minute. With the final whistle, Goa Police sealed the victory with a 2-0 scoreline. Inasio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.